Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when there's no audio focus option on your PS5. So when you go to volume, you should see audio focus now, and if you don't see it, all you need to do is press the circle button on your controller, go back. After that, go to the system option right there at the top, then system software option and system software update and settings. Press on it. So here it is. As you can see, there's update available to update my system. So you want to press on that and you want to update using the internet. After that, press update and it will restart your PS5 and basically install that software update, and you will need to wait. Now, as you can see, it's installing. You don't want to turn off your PS5 during installation. And now once you're done with the update, you want to go to the sound again, then go to volume, and here you have your audio focus. Press on it. You can go ahead and turn it on. First, of course, you need to put on the headphones to use this feature, but that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.